Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm AZ, your premier professional graphic designer at AZ Graphic Studio, and today I'm thrilled to be able to show you how to start over your graphic design journey using the software called Canva. Canva is a great graphic design software where it enables you to create multiple and large amounts of designs in just in a go. So let's dive right into it, and let me show you the first tutorial. Continue to follow up, but don't forget to subscribe. Let's dive into it. Now let's dive into creating the design in Canva. As you see here in my PC, I have the app. When you create a design, you need to have the software. So the Canva software is what I use. But if you don't have the software, just go to www.canva. So here is my Canva app, as you see it. So I'll just open it, and then so we'll just go direct to our design. I told you, if you don't have a website, Canva app, just go to the website www.canva.com. Yeah, there. So just click it, takes you up. And because I have the app, it will tell me to go back to my app. So I'll open the Canva app. When I open the Canva app, it will bring me the homepage of Canva app. Yeah. So this is my homepage. So every design you want to create in Canva, they give you all the templates, all what you want to try in the Canva software. And before you start, you need to have an account. I have my account there, Ezra Mucha. That's my account. I created my account. So you need to create an account for you to be able to create designs in Canva. So we'll go directly by creating our first design. Today, in this tutorial, I'm just going to create a social media post of graphics design agency. Yeah. Let's say example, my internet has gone. Let me check it on a bit. Let's see how I can sort out. I think it's back. Let me close it up and then open it. Yeah, there is it. Yeah, it's connected. Yeah, my internet is back. So we can continue. So let's create a design. Let's write social media posts. Yeah. Create a design, social media post. Because I don't see social media posts, just write social media. Yeah. And click social media. Yeah, it's going to click social media. Yeah. So it will open you to the design and title design, which is apparently square. So Canva gives you a lot of templates for you to try. So there are many millions of templates here you can try, eye-catching templates that you can choose and be able to use. So for today's tutorial, we're just going to use a graphic design template for us to create our social media post. So we just search graphic design and then it loads up. So here are some of the templates of the graphic design templates. So I'm just going to search a template that is going to be eye-catching. Oops, that's sorry. Let me see which one is good. Which one is good? Let me go back to the top because I saw there's one there at the top where it's good. You can tell me which is an eye-catching. Oops, I clicked one. There are no good designs there. Okay. Yeah, let me just go back to the top. I saw a design there. Let me choose this one. Yeah, this one is good.
Audio Jungle.
Where am I going? Not that one. Yeah, this one. Yeah, let's choose this one. Okay, let's customize this template. Yeah, let's customize it. So let's start by changing. Actually, you can also click. When you click on the text, you can be able to change the text color, the bold, text format, the alignment, you can put lists, you can put spacing, you can change the font, and also change the font size. Oh yeah. So let's edit the first. Oh, I put the listing. Yeah, we can just put off the listing. Yeah. So I'm just going to change the color of this. Put it orange. I'm just going to look for orange. Yeah. So I'm just going to look for orange. Orange color. It'll be good. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Change the color. Also the agency one, I can also change the color, put it somehow brown. So I'm able to, because my logo has a little bit of brown color that is mixed with orange. That one actually. Let me just add a new color. A dark orange one, yeah, something like that. Good. Yeah. There. So I'm going to change the Bosel into Easy Graphics Studio. Let me write Easy Graphics Studio. Yeah, and then I'm just going to resize the text box. Yeah, also size it so that I can be able to have a bigger view of the text. Also, I'm going to delete this and put my own logo. I just go to my uploads. I have already uploaded my logo, so I'm just going to search, scroll down. My logo is there, so I'm just going to resize the logo, put it on right there, resize it well so that it can be able to fit. Nice. So it's fitting, it's aligning with the text. So I'm just going to also change the font of the text. I like Leaks pattern a lot, so I'm just going to use Leaks pattern. Yeah, there, it's good. I want to change also the website there. Put www.easygraphicstudio. Yeah, studio.com. Yeah, that's my website. I'm going to resize the text box so they're able to fit in. Yeah, nice. There. It's already looking good. We'll change the font of the text. Let me put, this font is good. It's amazing. There. I also want to change the color of the button, the small. Yeah, it will be good there. Also change this one. the color. Change the color into orange, so able to blend a little bit to my logo and also the colors I always choose. Okay, there it's good. I want to change this bar there, change into orange. I don't want to change orange, I change the other one, put it orange. Yeah, that's good. And then I'm just going to change the graphics part, change the color so that we're able to have a little blend in it. So I'm just going to change the graphics color, put orange. Yeah, like that. So it's at least a bit attractive, you see. Also change the buttons, the small dots. Yeah, color. Just return it back to white. Yeah, white. And then I'm going to add some social media icons at the top so that I'm able to blend. But before that, let me change the images. So I'm going to touch the image. I'm going to search for an image in my uploads. If I don't have images, I can just go to the elements section, or so I'm able to have some other photos that are uploaded in the media. Yeah. So I'm just going to the elements. Elements. Where's Mikasa? Yeah, elements. So just go into elements and then scroll down. Go to photos, then I'm going to search graphic design. Let's search graphic design. Let's look at photos. Let me search graphic designer, yeah. I'm going to search for good photos that can be able to eye catch the posts. Yeah. I think this is a good photo. Let me choose it. Yeah. And then after uploading it, I can drag it into the frame. Yeah, it's there. So also change this big photo. Put design. I'm just going to choose this one. It's a good photo. Yeah, and then I'm just going to detach the image of the other photo and then delete it. And I'm just going to put it back. Oh, it has gone to the first circle. Just redo, then put it there. Yeah, nice. So that's just amazing. It's blending the colors and all the photos and everything. It's blending. Yeah. I can also put some social media icons at the bottom. So I'm going just to put social media icons. I have some social media icons already uploaded. I've uploaded one. Let me see. Okay, maybe it's loading, but I'm not seeing it showing up. Okay. I see it not loading up. It's not even showing, so I'm just going to maybe show up. Oops, my internet has gone. Okay, my internet this side is not stable a little bit, but let me fix the internet issue. If maybe the icons will be able to come back. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes the internet fluctuates a lot, so you'll bear with me. Okay. Yeah, just a little bit. Just bear with me. Yeah, see it's back. Yeah, so we can now continue. Yeah, the image is not for some. I'm just going to delete them. I'm just going to use just going to upload them again and see if they're going to be there or not. It seems that it's not uploading. So I think I'm just going to delete it. I'm just going to use some white icons. I have some white icons in uploads. I'm just going to use the white ones. Just going to use the size, align them at the bottom. Yeah, use the size, align them. You can use the lines, the grid lines that are shown there, to be able to align everything that you put in the design, so it's able to be aligned properly. Yeah, those dotted lines, you can use the dotted lines to be able to guide you in how to align all the objects and elements you're going to put in your design. So I'm just going to put the social media icons, align them, put them sparse, align them as straight line. You can see the straight line that is aligning them. Yeah. One last icon, the YouTube icon. Yeah, give it size, then put it there, align it. Yeah, it's aligned. Nice. So now there our social media posts of our graphic design agency is already ready. You can change the font of the graphics website. Use links pattern. I always like links pattern a lot. They just size the text box there. So use the font, the size. Okay, there. Our social media is good. Our social media post is wonderful. It's attractive. You can see there. Scroll up, see how is it. It's amazing. Yeah, it's amazing. So after that, you can now go to file. Yeah, so we're able to save your design, save it first. After saving, now you can now go and download your file and be able to publish it out and post it in your social media pages. I'm just going to download. Remember always to save and download your images in PNG to remain the quality of your images and designs. Yeah, so it's downloading. So it's going to download. Yep. So and then you save it. I'll save it in my images folder. Then save. Then I save. So my image is already saved and I'm done. That's how we've just created a simple social media post using our Canva software. That's just amazing. See, you can just create great graphics using Canva, and they can give you a very good presentation out there in your businesses and everything. Even if you want to be a graphic designer or something, it will take you to the next level using Canva. Thank you all for listening up or following up in this tutorial. Follow up, don't forget to subscribe, and always share, learn, practice, keep creating, keep dreaming up. Everything will go right. Just follow up these tutorials to take you to the next level in your professional level in your graphic design journey. See you in the next time. My name is AZ and this is AZ Graphic Studio. Yes.